In this video, we are going to be looking at how to use the tile model to model integer multiplication when both of our terms are positive. So what that means is something like this, when we have a positive 3 multiplied by a positive 2. We can think about this in a few ways. We already know that this is 3 groups of 2. But for this tile model, I also want you to think about when your first term is a positive, that means that we are adding. And if your first term is a negative, we are taking away. And what our second term means is what is in these groups. So this will hopefully all make more sense. Let me go ahead and write that down. What's in the group? So this might be helpful for your notes to have this written down in your notes. All right, let's talk about what does this mean. So we are going to be using our tile model. So for me, I'm going to have a black and a red. And I'm going to say that my black equals a positive 1 and my red equals a negative 1, which then means that one black and one red together is going to equal a 0 pair. So just like what we did with addition and subtraction. So in this problem, we see we are adding 3 groups of 2. That's how we can read this sentence. So I'm going to do that. We are adding 3 groups of positive 2. There's 1 group, there's 2 groups, and there's 3 groups. So we added 3 groups of positive 2, which means that we have a positive 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's take a look at another problem. So this one, we are adding, because this first term is a positive, so we're going to add 4 groups of 3. So that's how I would read that sentence. Add 4 groups of 3. 4 groups of positive 3. So using, again, that same tile model, it's going to look like my first group of positive 3, my second group of positive 3, my third group of positive 3, and my fourth group of positive 3. I just added 4 groups of positive 3, and I ended up with 3, 6, 9, 12. So my answer is a positive 12. So our general rule, anytime you have a positive number of groups and a positive things in that group, you will always end up with a solution that is positive. If both of your terms are positive, your solution, or this product, will be a positive. All right, now you're going to go ahead and try a few problems on your own.